Hello and good morning. Today let us look at Cancer Rashi natives, or the moon is posted in Cancer, which is called Kark in Sanskrit or Hindi. Karka Rashi or Cancer Rashi natives, let us look at the Karatatvas of Cancer Rashi. Cancer Rashi is a movable watery sign. It is the fourth sign from the Kala Purusha, and crab is the symbol. It is considered to be the Lakshmi Sthana, and the sign lord is moon. The nakshatras that are placed in Cancer is the fourth pada of Punarvasu, four padas of Pushya, and four padas of Ashlesha. Now, to look at the broad features of Cancer natives, you have to understand that the planetary influences may alter the features to slightly or to a large extent, but generally Cancer natives have a very round face. They have inset eyes, good nose, good lips, scanty hair. Again, it will depend upon the combination of Venus in the chart to give you scanty hair or good hair. Now, the other thought process is that the uh, uh, the Cancer natives have a short neck and big front two teeth. Even though they have pearl-like teeth, the front teeth will look little bigger or wider. They have a thick neck, or a short thick neck would be the right answer. They are medium height or medium to above medium height, but they are not tall natives, unless again, of course, if Saturn is aspecting the Cancer. Now, the what is called the waistline of the native, generally they will put on weight as they grow older, or they may have a thick waist or a plump stomach. Now, let us look at the characteristics of Cancer natives. Cancer natives are generous. The most important characteristics of Cancer natives are generous. They are deeply emotional. They love their family and friends to a large extent. They have many friends. He or she loves outdoor sports. They would love outdoor sports, especially water sports like swimming. They have more than one property and they are wealthy. You have to understand, Cancer is the Lakshmi Sthana. Therefore, and the symbol is crab. So what does the crab do? The crab takes everything and puts it in his burrow. Similarly, Cancer natives have this quality of gathering all his finances or her finances to build houses or to have many houses. Cancer natives also are kingmakers. They are very, very supportive to people who have leadership qualities. They will encourage people who are having leadership qualities, and sometimes the Cancer natives miss out is that they are shunned after their usefulness is over. Now, the other thought process is that they are very proud, they are very religious, and we can call them what you call it, the spiritual warriors. Right now, let us look at their career opportunities and education. Cancer natives are generally considered to be administrators because their administrative capacity is immense. They have a strong speech. They have a good voice. They have a strong speech. They have good voice. They can learn very easily. They can reproduce easily. They have the capacity to absorb, retain subjects which they are fond of. What they will study will entirely depend upon the planetary influences. But generally, most Cancerians will become or take up management studies. They are good as doctors, engineers, and lawyers, of course, is a given thing, and today's world, we have event managers, we have administrators, we have facility managers, we have motivational speakers. Cancer natives will do a wonderful job as teachers or institutional heads. Now, cancer natives can also look at business propositions. So the cancer natives have wide range of studies and wide range of subjects to look at, because the advantage in today's life is that the number of fields have increased, where cancer can fit into any field. He can fit into any field, but most often than not, they will take up management studies. Now, looking at their wealth, cancer natives amass wealth. As I previously told you, they have the capacity to earn money, and they have the capacity to hold money. The money doesn't run away from them, as one could call. You see, Lakshmi is never understood to be in one place. She is understood to run from person to person. But Cancer has the ability to hold money, or you can even turn around and say hold money or wealth. They have lot of wealth. And they, even though they are generous, they are really generous, they will go out of their way to help people, still they will hold lot of wealth. Now, when it comes to marriage and partnership, they have one marriage or one partner. They will not have more than one marriage. The positivity out of this marriage is they treat their partners as if they are the most precious person they have in their life. So the best possible treatment is meted out to their partners. They love their partners and they live for their partners. Now, when we look at their health issues, they may have problems with their throat and lungs. That is, the watery diseases are the part and parcel of most cancer natives, because the moon is a watery planet and the sign is a watery sign, and that sign represents our upper diaphragm, therefore chest. Therefore, they can be susceptible to watery diseases. Now, let us look at the numerical value. The numerical value of cancer natives is 2. Moon is 2. Numerical value for moon, not cancer. Numerical value for moon is 2. Thus, those who are born on 2, 11 and 29 come under the moon, come under the influence of moon. The lucky dates are 2, 11, 20 and 29. The lucky day is Monday, the Lord Shiva day. The lucky pearl or lucky gem is pearl, the white pearl. The deity is Lord Shiva or Lord Parvati or Chandrama herself. Prayer to either of these three people is useful. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this video has been useful. Do like, share, subscribe. Follow me at G3 Astro. Signing off, Gayatri. Have a pleasant day. Bye-bye.